Hi guys, welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to install Python on Windows 11. First open your favorite browser and type Python download and hit enter. Open the first link. You will be landed on the official website of the Python. Here you will see the download Python version 3.12.5. Click on the download. The download will start. If you are into some other operating systems like Linux or Mac, you can download it by clicking on these links. As we have successfully downloaded the Python, we need to install it. First go to the download section and double-click on the Python installer. Now select python.exe to the path and click on Custom Installation. Make sure all the options are selected in the optional features. Now click Next. Now in the advanced options, select Install Python 3.12 for all users. Now click on Install. Now click on Yes. It will take some time to install. Once it is installed, click on Close. Now click on the Windows icon and type CMD and hit Enter. Now type Python -- version and hit Enter. Now you will the version of the Python installed. Now type Python. You will see the trademark triple arrow, which means that Python has been successfully installed. Close the command prompt. Now click on the Windows icon and type idle and hit Enter. Now type print hello. And hit Enter. You can see the output hello. If you want to create a new file, click on the file and click on New File. We will enter a couple of values there like a equals 5, b equals 3, print a plus b. Now click on File and click on Save as in save the file by using .py. After saving the file, click on Run and click on Run Module. Boom! You can see the result. Our Python is running successfully. Thanks for watching. Bye.